So I wish to dedicate this song to the memory of the late Nora Butler, who so often sang it as one of her own favourite songs. Nora was iconic in the world of traditional singing and was so admired and loved by singers and everyone in the world of tradition and cultus all over the world. Farewell, old Ireland, a long farewell. My bitter anguish no tongue can tell, for I must sail o'er the ocean wide, from my cottage home by Lough Sheelin side. How proud was I of my girl so tall, envied most by the young and all, when I took Eileen, my fond young bride, to my cottage home by Lough Sheelin side. But oh, those good times were not to last. The landlord came our home to blast. He drove us out in the blinding snow, and from Lough Sheelin we were forced to go. No one would open to us their door, for fear his vengeance on them might pour. Poor Eileen fainted in my arms and died on that snowy night by Lough Sheelin side. They buried her in the churchyard low, where in the springtime the daisies grow. Sad tears were shed for my fond young bride, who is sleeping now by Lough Sheelin side. So farewell, my country, farewell for aye. My ship will soon bear me far, far away, but my fond heart will still abide near to Eileen's grave by Lough Sheelin side.